In this video, I'll guide you through how to record invoice payments in Wave accounting. Whether you're a small business owner or just starting with Wave, understanding how to accurately record payments is crucial for maintaining up-to-date financial records. So let's dive into the process. First, you'll want to locate the invoice in Wave accounting. To do this, log into your Wave account and navigate to the Sales section, which you'll find on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Click on Invoices, and you'll see a list of all the invoices you've issued. You can use the search bar at the top to quickly locate a specific invoice by entering the customer's name or invoice number. This feature is particularly helpful if you have a long list of invoices and need to find one quickly. Once you've located the invoice you want to record a payment for, click on it to open the detailed view. Here, you'll see all the relevant information about the invoice, including the amount due and any previous payments that have been recorded. Now it's time to input the payment details. On the right side of the invoice detail page, you'll notice a button labeled Record a Payment. Click on this button to bring up the payment entry form. In the payment entry form, you'll need to input the payment details. First, enter the amount that you received from the customer. Make sure this amount matches exactly what was paid to avoid any discrepancies in your records. Next, select the payment method from the drop-down menu. Wave offers several options such as cash, credit card, bank transfer, and more. Choosing the correct payment method helps ensure your accounts are accurate. After selecting the payment method, enter the payment date. This should be the exact date the payment was received. Accurately recording the date is important for your accounting records and for reconciling your bank statements later. If your customer provided any additional information or reference numbers with their payment, you can add these to the Notes section for your future reference. This can be particularly useful for tracking purposes or if you need to revisit the payment details later. Once you've double-checked all the information for accuracy, go ahead and click the Save button. This action records the payment against the invoice and updates the invoice status to paid or adjusts the remaining balance if the payment was partial. You'll see the updated payment reflected immediately in your invoice list and in your overall financial reports, keeping your records consistent and up to date. And there you have it. You've successfully recorded an invoice payment in Wave accounting. Keeping track of your payments ensures that your financial records are always current and helps you maintain a clear view of your business's cash flow. Remember, accurate and timely recording of invoice payments can save you from potential headaches during tax season or when conducting financial reviews. If you found this guide helpful, please consider sharing it with others who might benefit from it. Thank you for watching and happy accounting.